Hey guys, and welcome back to Simply Nail Art, and in this video I'm going to show you how to do this cute and simple snowflake nail design, so let's begin. So for this design I'm going to be doing gel, so I'm starting off by applying a gel base coat. By the way, if you can't already tell, I did start off by buffing my nails and prepping them with alcohol. I'm not sure if I ever mentioned this before, but I do always show it in my videos, but after every coat of any nail polish, whether it's gel or otherwise, always make sure you wrap the tip with the polish to make the manicure last longer. Next, I'm drying my nails with my LED lamp for 30 seconds. After the base coat was dry, I began adding the base colors, starting with gray for my thumb and index fingernails. Next up, I'm adding white to my middle and ring fingernails. Lastly, I'm adding the glittery gel polish to my pinky nail. And again, I'm just drying them under the lamp for 30 seconds. And now, to begin the design, I'm taking a tiny detail brush and the glitter polish, and I'm doing the snowflake. Now I'm drying the snowflake under the lamp, and then I'm adding polka dots. And under the lamp again. To finish off, I'm applying a top coat. Next, I'm adding cuticle oil to all of my nails, especially when I do gel. I like to do this because I have to take off each sticky layer with alcohol, and I can really dry out my cuticles otherwise. Well, that is all guys. Thanks for watching. To see more videos like this, subscribe. Also leave a like if you like this video, and comment down below any designs you want to see me do in the future. Thanks. Bye.